A college student named Jake woke up every morning at 5 a.m. He journaled, meditated, even drank lemon water. But by noon, he was burnt out, unfocused, and irritated. He did all the right things, but still felt stuck.
The truth is, your morning routine isn't broken. Your mindset is. Most people copy routines without asking why they're doing them. You can't just mimic successful people and expect success. You need to build your morning around your life.
If your routine feels like a checklist, it's not helping you grow. It's draining you. Instead of forcing cold showers and 10-mile runs, ask yourself, what do I need this morning to become 1% better than yesterday?
You don't need 10 habits. You need one habit done consistently. A 5-minute walk, deep breathing, or writing 3 goals, if done with purpose, can shift your whole day.
Until you believe you deserve a better life, no routine will fix anything. Morning routines don't create success. Your mindset during the routine does.
So stop chasing the perfect morning. Start building a personal one that fits your goals, energy, and vision. Small shifts, big change. That's how real self-improvement begins.